Hello, it's Jacob Logan here, and this is my new video of my first toy review. Today we're going to package up some cars. So, these come, this one comes just with 3 years old, but I don't buy, so I can still do with these. So let's open it and see it. So we got a yellow monster truck. So we'll put it right here. So you'll notice in my bedroom, but it is. So we're gonna open the car pack with 3 colors. That's yellow, black, and red. Let's open this and see what we've got. Now we got 3 cars. So I'm gonna call my brother first. Wait. So, my brother just said corn dogs. So let's have him try this later. So bye bye. We're gonna connect it to my video tomorrow. Bye. See you later. And please subscribe, like this video, and enjoy with my brother's videos. So bye bye.